Hi guys, Sophia Star here, and we're back with another Crunch Labs box. This one is the second one, is the coin spinner, and I'm actually slightly excited for this one. I seen it in the video, um, when they were announcing all the Crunch Lab boxes, and it looked really cool. So, we're going to open these up, make sure we have all the stuff. What? Wait, they give you... Oh, they're fake coins. Okay. It's like, wait, they give you money? What? Oh, this has a lot more parts than the last one. This is the base, and oh, this is the little arena thing to spin the coins in. Okay, and everything else is empty. So we are done with box. Well, there's the code for the video on the lid of the box, but I don't like showing that off. Because they're like private videos, so you guys would. Everything's falling. Okay, so we got a board. We'll have another gear somewhere in here. What parts should we have? Oh no, they have it right here. Okay. We'll just do this. No video for you guys. Oh, they actually let you build two. I forgot about that. I like these coins. So we have rubber bands. Looks like some washers and metal pieces here. Oh, they're the elastic cords, I'm guessing. What? Remember last time we had like extra parts, so I'm guessing there's probably going to be extra parts this time too. Let's separate this out. So we got thicker rubber bands, thinner rubber bands. Got three of those, three of those, three elasty things, and 6 O-rings, 7 O-rings. Probably an extra O-ring. What do you need the pen for? Oh, there is my other gear. Oh, this one's ratchet? Okay. So we got those, these yellow parts. There's probably... Oh, there's a blue and a yellow one. Okay. So then there'll be two of these, two of these. These are the yellow parts. Wait, why do I only have one of these? Huh, weird. Then we got 2 boards and a silica pack. Nobody cares about those. Oh, here's the thing so I can attach that. What? If I can open it? Maybe? Wait, do we have 2 of these? Oh, we only got 1 of these. I thought we were supposed to have 2. This shows 2. We might actually be short a coin holder. Are these like stuck together? No, this is one thing. Huh. I think we might be short a coin holder. We might not be able to... Oh, there it is. I'm just dumb. It was hidden by the book, I swear. Okay, and then there's all these little parts. This is what I need to attach this. So we'll put that there. Put that there. And Okay, we're just gonna do the gear first, then put the gear on the thing. Okay. So there's that. Right. And there's that. Gears. Bam. It's actually fun to mess with. Okay, and this has the coins, the paper stickers, and the other stuff. Oh, they actually give you a lot of coins. Okay. Wait, what? Those are some weird paper stickers. Two foamy pieces? It's not even on the parts list. Oh, there it is. Adhesive foam. I'm just dumb. Pen. How many coins did they give us? 8 coins? Wow. That's a lot of coins. Only I'll say Crunch, Crunch Lab on one side, and then the other side's the little logo. I think they're cool. So there's 4 for each player. Okay, so we got all parts. Build time. So we have this, which goes with this, and one of these blue boys. Blue boy in. I guess we're doing the yellow one first. So we do this. So it engages with that. And another blue boy. Wow. Blue boy on blue boy. Wretches gear with special teeth that stops the gear from turning backwards. Make sure the wretched teeth aren't upside down. Yeah, ours are the right way. Because this will stop this from going this way. Ba-bam. Okay, and then this goes in here. But why did we only get one of these? Shouldn't there also be like a blue one? So then one of these, oops, one of these washers go over this. Washer. And then one of these goes in here. And then through here. Like that. Okay. And then we are thin rubber banding this through the top here. If I was good at rubber banding. Okay. Thin rubber band through the top. And over here like this. It still seems pretty loose. Oh. Oh. Okay. So we tested it. It does the clickies. So wait, what? Yellow plate to oh, I guess they want you to use the blue ones on this one. Okay. Yellow plate, 2 blue ones, little whoosher. Little whoosher. Maybe I can get little whoosher. There we go. Little whoosher number 2. Wow. I'm bad at whooshering. There we go. Double whoosher. And then thick rubber band on this part. Okay. Thick rubber. And then this goes this way with one of these going through the whole thing. And a whoosher. 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 Okay. And then we need a sticky bit. Sticky bit. Getting this as close to the edge as possible. Bum, 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 bum. Wah. Bum, bum. Okay. Sticky bit undone. What? So like this? Wait, what? I'm very confused. Which seems pretty normal for me by now. Okay, so this should line up with this. Kind of like this. That looks about right. Looks right to me. Okay. So that should go like that. This should go here. Wait, what? It doesn't really stay well. Like that? Huh. It's showing like very little contact, which is like what this is doing, but it keeps falling anyways. Hmm. Should I put more tension on it anyways? That seems to work. Oh, there was the blue one. I'm just dumb. Okay. So now it says to test it. Mm. Oh god, they went over the arena. Okay. Let's try one more time. It's hard to get set up. Okay. Let's try this from further back. Too far back. Too far back. I think it's just one of those you gotta get used to it kind of things. What the? Oh, I did it again. No. I want to get it to go in at least once. Maybe. No. Hmm. Apparently, I'm just very bad at firing it. No. Fine. Okay, I'm just very bad at firing it. Wait, maybe if we turn this long ways? Okay. Let's try firing it this way. We were closer. We're closer. I think we got it this time. So we just move over here a little bit. Just move over here a little bit. Ah! Okay, let's not go all the way. Let's not go all the way. Maybe not going all the way is the trick. Full power is too much power. Not full power is not enough power. What the? I'm getting better at setting it up a little bit. There we go. Got it. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, it even says not full power. Okay, well, I have a rock for a brain, so I have excuses. Just really dumb. Um, okay, so then I guess the whole next thing is just build second one? Yeah. Oh, so these are so you can do like bowling with the coins? That's cool. Coin arena. That's what we were trying to do. Then what's this one? Oh, that's really cool. So they make little optical illusions. Um, a ratchet is a mechanical device that allows rotation only one direction. Yeah. That's why it'll go this way, but then it won't go this way. Um, swinging forward, when you push the trigger, the teeth let go. Lets the ratchet pivot forward and impact the coin. Find ratchets on other machines. Rock skipping robot? What? Oh, that's one of the ones that Mark built. Mark built a machine that uses a ratchet, helps skip rocks across the pond. That actually seems really cool. Rock skipping robot. Um, yeah. It's crunch time. Using your engineering superpowers to keep building. What spins longest? Try spinning things like other coins, rings, or shapes you cut out on your own. See what shapes spin the longest. Obstacle bowling? Oh, that seems hard. Coin skate park. Oh, that looks so cool. They built like a half pipe for the coin. Oh. But yeah. That's a lot of fun. This is most definitely simpler to build than the flywheel. Um, though the flywheel did have like a battery and moving parts and everything. And we still get a good number of leftover parts, even after we build the second one. Because we'll still have extra rubber bands, we'll have extra blue things, um, we'll have an extra one of these. Yeah, like, you always end up with extra parts. I kind of want to throw the second one together real quick. Just because, why not, right? We can knock this out pretty quick. There we go, there we go. After you know the trick of making the first one, the second one's kind of like, eh. Go. And then this goes over top. I'll probably end up letting other people use the yellow one, and then the blue one's gonna be mine. I like blue more. Okay, and then where'd that part go? There it is. Blue part. Bum, bum. Yeah, we're gonna have an extra one of these too. There we go. Pull this through there. Bum, bum. So that part's done. And then I'm gonna just do these one at a time, because holding them both on there while you do this is just kind of dumb. But yeah, we're gonna have extra these things too. I'm gonna have so many like extra parts by the time we do all of the boxes. There we go. Put that in there. This in here. It kind of sucks that we don't have an extra one of these. An extra washer. Extra whoosher. Whoosher washer. Okay, maybe I can do this. I'm bad at washing. Okay. There we go. And this can still move up and down. Yes. Okay. And then it's time for this. I like how they even give you a pen to draw on the paper stickers. Like, they're like, ah, just in case you don't have a pen, here is a pen. Which is super cool because it's like all tools included, no matter what. So then you never have to worry about, like, if you don't have something, all the parts you could ever need are included. Yeah. There we go. And then this gets stuck on here. There we go. Bam, bam. And second one. All done. All the extra parts. I like having tons of extra parts. We do have a second whoosher. Oh, spare whoosher. Awesome. But yeah, that was the Ratchet build box from Crunchlands by Mark Ruber. Hopefully you guys liked it. We got 2 little coin spinners. Most definitely going to use this one all the time. This one's going to be whoever I'm playing. Other people get this one. Blue one's cooler. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked, and I will see you guys when the next box comes out. Well, I'll probably see you guys sooner, like over in stream or something. But yeah, bye bye, bye bye.